It is September 22nd, 2020. Time is 9:29. I am at the Middle Fork Trailhead. We're going to do an overnight backpack along the Pratt Connector Trail. This is my first backpack of 2020, thanks to COVID. Check out this cave. Time is 11:51. We have arrived at our campsite. The time is about 15:06. We are at camp. Fire is established. There's Chuck.
Hi.
Homie. He got his whiskey. Yeah, he got his, what is it, brandy?
Yeah, brandy.
I got my beer right here.
Oh, well.
Some pale ale by Pelican Brewing. India Pale Ale.
There, and if you want to see where it is, it's right here.
Yup. Heck yeah. Trophy noise. The time is 18:26. We are eating dinner. Firemaster Chuck is eating. What are you eating today, sir?
Chicken and mashed potatoes.
Chicken mashed potatoes by
Mountain House.
My meal is cooking right now, and I'm going to eat pepper beef with rice by Alpine Air.
It's hard to really get a good picture of a fire.
Oh, I'm getting a pretty good one right now.
It can be done. Well, I'm talking about on a phone.
Yeah, this is awesome.
But I have done it before. It just takes a
This
little
is
looking at it.
This is cowboy TV right here. This fire is looking nice and warm and awesome. Good morning. Today is September 23rd, 2020. Time's about 8:09. I'm eating my breakfast in the vestibule. As you can hear, it's raining. This forecast calls for rain, heavy at times. So breakfast is a Quest bar. Fire's out. I'm all packed up. Chuck's finishing up, packing up. Everything's all clear. Cheers! Cheers! Good post-hike meal. Well-deserved burgers.
And fries.
Yep.